Our house is a bit of a mess at the moment because going through a bit of quarantine at the moment. And also so lazy. Seriously, so disgusting. Shaking off the stench, you stinker.
Shaking the good air fresh from here. Coronavirus is not here.
Oh my gosh, the battery's flashing. Look at my hair. I'm gonna charge the battery, but I just wanted to show you guys our breakfast this public holiday. Okay guys, so I'm semi-ready for the day. I'm going to my mum's house because she called. She wants me to take my Dyson so she can test it to see whether she wants to buy one as well. But the thing is, I hate taking my vacuums there because the last vacuum I had, it got wrecked the last time I came. I know mum's watching. She's probably like, So, I will have you know, it was when I got it back. I'm just kidding. Better shut up before I get it. So I've got it here with me. The battery died before. I'm gonna put it in the car. Yes, I believe. So come on, walk on the waters with me. Okay, so I also brought Molly porridge because, who knows, she didn't make herself breakfast. Oh my gosh, what is that? I worship you. And my car is so messy, I need to clean it. Aussie, you need to clean our cars, okay? I'm just kidding, hun. I need help, honestly. How can I carry all this? I got my laptop. I've got the Dyson at the back. How are you liking my Dyson? Morning guys, welcome back to another video with the girl Victoria on the Siossi and Victoria channel. It's a very windy day outside. It's like I woke up to the wind just like swishing and swashing, and we had to close the doors because and the windows. But today is a very wet day. It's starting to get much cooler as we lead into winter. So it'll be I think it's autumn now, right? I think it's autumn. But I made porridge that I'm taking to my parents' house because my sister came back from Zambia today, and we're gonna have breakfast together at my parents'. So yum. I ordered some vitamins yesterday. I have been ordering vitamins all week. Just make sure you stock up on your vitamin C with everything that's going on. It'll help build your immune system and make it strong so that if you do get anything, your body will have the right tools to fight it off. I've also got elderberry, vitamin D3, and liposamol. This one's the best form of vitamin C, but it's expensive. Anyways, baby, it's okay. You don't want them to think we're crazy. I also want to show you guys this perfume that my friend gave me, my workmate gave me. She didn't like it. She gave it to me like in a new pack. Look at where it is now. I just like spray the hell out of this. I come home every day and I just like spray it around the house. I love it so much. It's like a natural rose kind of scent. It just smells so good. Also, do you want me to sit at the back?
Hold this stuff if it's gonna fall.
No, it won't fall. I don't even know why I asked. Honestly, it's so hard getting up on this car. Like, such a struggle. It's such a struggle for a plus-size woman. Anyway, so how have you guys been? Now, I know every time I touch the camera, I'm always on about some like, we've been busy, we're always working type of stuff. And guys, I want to let you guys know, a couple of weeks ago, in my vlog, said that I had been working on my promotion, fighting for it. And guess what, guys? I got it. I got it. Now, it's only temporary, but I got it. I just feel like only God can do that. Because while all the odds were stacked against me, I still overcame. And it wasn't by my strength at all. I just give all the glory to God for his wisdom that flows in me, for his favor, for making me the head and not the tail, for putting me first and not last, for raising me above those who try to humiliate me. He raises the humble and fends off the proud. And I'm just so grateful to God. I just thank him so much.
What's up, guys? Your boy Georgie. We're back with another video, guys. Today is Saturday. I didn't have work today. A very long time, guys. This is the first time I don't have work today. We're gonna have breakfast at mum and dad's house. So just porridge, guys. You know, you see it.
I've not even done my hair. This is what I do every day before I go to work. I jump in the car like with the hair that I just woke up with. I'll either do it like on the way when we stop at traffic lights, or I'll do it in the car park. No one sees how I walk in. They only see the result of the beauty queen. My fringe has gone so long, I could probably like level it, but I don't want to because I want it to grow out. They're not all straight, but it doesn't matter. Aussie's growing a rat's tail at the back of his head. I'm gonna cut it when he sleeps one day.
No, don't do that.
Yes, I will.
This tail is gonna be all the way down my bottom.
Your bottom?
My bottom.
Oh my gosh, guys. And also, Aussie and I recently started watching Outlander. Oh, it's a Netflix series. Some of you guys have probably seen it. Some of you guys have not. If you haven't, you guys need to get on it. We are like addicted. Aussie has not been playing Fortnite all week. And I'm like seriously struggling with some lusting issues against Jamie Fraser. Jamie Fraser.
And Georgie Fraser.
Georgie Fraser.
I'm from Scotland.
It is such a good movie. I was like YouTubing Jamie, the actual character. Pretty sure his name's Sam Hughes or something like that. And he's actually from Scotland. He's got a Scottish accent.
And his name is Jamie Fraser.
When I get into series, it's really hard for me to like separate myself from the series. I just feel so involved and I feel like I'm part of the movie. Do you feel like that, Aussie?
Yeah.
Or is that just me? I remember when I was like a Harry Potter book nerd, I used to read Harry Potter and stuff. And I used to like just walk up on the mountains and cry because like I just wanted to be with Harry Potter. And then the same with like Twilight. June, you're a little baby.
No, I'm a kid now.
What? What are you looking at, Evan Hazer? Hey, Fanny. Hey, Fanny Nita.
Guess what? We're having cheese balls.
Stop doing that right now.
We're having like cheese balls.
Where's your cheese balls?
I just gotta bring it for 10 minutes.
Aw, so where are you going to get the cheese balls from?
It's in the car. We have to wait for it.
Hey, Junie, beautiful baby.
I said another baby. Get that camera away.
Ow! We're on a mummy and daughter day, aren't we, mummy? Aussie's going with my dad somewhere in his car. I'm going shopping with my mum because she always needs me. Quel little request also. I didn't even plan to get anything, but I'm digging these brushes. I think it's about time we got a new one. I should get Aussie some eye drops. He's always got painful eyes. Red eyes. We're back home now, guys. We did a little bit of shopping. I bought some work stuff, work clothes. Seriously, my dad is a serious hoarder. He needs to go on that hoarding TV show. Morning, guys. It's Sunday now. We haven't picked up the camera since yesterday, but we just finished church and we've got our little minions at the back who always want to come over, even though we got no kitties with us.
What?
They think that we're kupulanga with them, eh, babe?
What?
Why do you guys always want to come over?
Because we come over today.
Why?
Because you always come here.
What? That doesn't make sense. Messiah, why?
Because you always come to church and you love me in heaven. Yes.
Aww. You're still annoying. We're just driving around at the moment. I can't stop thinking about the Outlander.
We just finished church. We don't know what the lunch for us. We're going home and have something to eat at home. And these boys at the back, they want to come over, play the game. Oh, you know what? Hey.
Evan wants to come over because I'm coming over.
Is that true, Evan?
Yes.
Because you want to eat the food inside the carpet.
Welcome back to another video. Now, it is Friday again. Our house is a bit of a mess at the moment because we are doing little things. We're going through a bit of quarantine at the moment. Don't have the coronavirus. I'm preparing. I might have to work from home in the next coming weeks. So I picked up a few things from Office Works because you're probably wondering. Oh.
Yeah, oh,
You're probably wondering why there's mess everywhere, because I just bought myself a table and we just got back. Still not sure where to put it. Those were my efforts of the Irish accent, but you know, whatever. This is a monitor I got. Yeah, about this time last year I bought this monitor, and it's also been to Samoa with me. This is my Work Surface Pro. Look at this pineapple. It looks so juicy. I can't wait to eat it. I just don't know where I'm gonna put this.
You don't know where to put this.
Aussie's hating on me Irish accent. Look how messy my house is right now. Okay, so guys, I'm thinking tomorrow when I clean my house, this goes here. Look at that dirt mark on there. Aussie, this goes here, this goes there, and that goes here. Now, the reason I'm talking like this is because I was just watching Catriona Balf's live on Instagram. She doesn't talk like this, but this is my version of how she talks.
So your ass is smelly, no?
No, I think you've got it mistaken for your own.
So your ass is stinky.
Since watching The Outlander, I've discovered a newfound love for Scotland and for Ireland and...
Aye!
Aussie's trying to say aye, which means yes. Guys, I hope everyone's staying safe out there, you know, with everything that's going on at the moment. You guys just got to exercise caution. Exercise caution. Our Prime Minister announced today that you have to be at least 4 square meters away from people. So, Aussie, you have to stay 4 square meters away from me, okay? As irresistible as I am. Oh, hold on. Let me try my accent.
Sleep 4 square meters from me.
Then I guess you have to sleep on the floor then. As irresistible as I am, you're gonna have to stay away from me.
You have to stay away from me because you got a coronavirus. Because I got the flabby blood. I don't want to speak Scottish because it is the blood stinged in me. This is your black hair, breathe it.
Seriously, why are you talking
this
like...
This is the Scottish language, eh?
We are cleaning. And also so lazy. Seriously, so disgusting. Shaking off the stench, you stinker.
Shaking the good air, fresh from here. Coronavirus is not here.
Okay guys, we finally finished. We've been finished for a while now and I just got out of the shower. I wanted to show you guys our rearrangement. The TV is now on this wall and the chairs are on this wall. We brought our thingy-mabob from the room, placed it here because it was a bit bare. Got our vitamins there, extra squat. So that's what it looks like from that angle. There's just so much room everywhere. That's my workstation. So look how much room there is now. Hi, Os.
What's up, guys? It's boy Joji. I'm cooking the breakfast now, cleaning all the house, and we didn't have anything to eat, so I'll cook the breakfast.
Toast is hardly cooking, babe.
And porridge.
I made that. Stop lying. Anyways, I got these bananas here. I'm gonna make some banana bread. It's nighttime now. I had a long nap. Aussie boy kept waking me up, which was really annoying because I was having like a nice sleep. But it's about 8:30 now. I didn't prepare anything for dinner. And I just wanted to show you guys again our house layout because it's so nice. When I woke up, I forgot that we had rearranged it earlier and I love it so much. I was like, oh, I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. I walked from here and I was like, oh my gosh, so nice. So I got my workstation there. It's a bit small. I need a bigger table, but that'll do for now. We wanted to get our TV mounted up on the wall, but now in hindsight, I'm kind of glad we didn't because then we won't be able to like move our furniture around. This is actually the first time we've changed it since we've moved into this house. It's been almost like 2 years or something. Hey guys. So I just finished work like not long ago. Came all the way from over there. We serviced Ossie's car this morning, and we also bought a I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a Turnau or Tornau. A Tornau? Tuno. Something like that, but it's like a cover for the back of his ute. I don't know. He's taking forever. I told him to go and do it now, but he doesn't want to.